What's good, everyone, and welcome to my bathroom. So I know most of you fellas haven't seen your barber and you haven't gotten a haircut in weeks, a month, some of you a month and a half, 2 months, and now you're looking rough just like me. So today I'm going to give you at-home grooming tips using a few different Gillette products. And these tips should help you get by until the next time you see your barber. So the first one is the Gillette STYLER. Second is the ProGlide. And third is the SkinGuard. All right, so first we have the STYLER. So the STYLER is good for bringing the facial hair down, and then using the liner, you can give yourself a nice, clean, edgy look. So it comes with 3 different detachable combs. It also comes with this razor right here as well. But what you want to do is find the desired length you like, pop that on, turn the switch on, give yourself a nice, even trim all the way through, pop it off. Using this little blade / trimmer right here, you can give yourself a nice neckline. You can take it up to the jawline. And a popular style that's going on now is the goatee. You can give yourself a nice boxed out goatee, take it down on the jaw, and yes, that's pretty much the STYLER. Next we have the ProGlide. So once you've achieved the desired look using the STYLER, there's still going to be hair stubble. So what you want to do is take a little bit of Gillette Pure Shaving Gel, apply as needed on the cheeks, on the neck, and now take the ProGlide and shave away the rest of the hair, giving yourself a nice, clean, shaved look. Now this is a really great razor, highly recommended. Some features: it has 5 razors. As you can see here, it has a lubricant strip on top to enhance a smoother shave. And lastly, it has flex ball technology, this orange ball right here, which allows the razor to move on a swivel. So that right there is the ProGlide, highly recommended. Now go try this at home. So lastly, we have the SkinGuard. Now this razor is very different from the ProGlide. It features only 2 razors, as you can see here. Reason being, this razor was created for men with sensitive skin. So if you break out, razor bumps, skin irritations, you name it, all the above. Highly recommended for men with coarse hair. This razor is for you guys. So same thing, all you need is a little bit of Gillette Pure Shaving Gel. Apply as needed on the cheeks, neck as needed, and then shave away all the rest of the hair stubble. And there you have it, folks. Now you have a nice, clean, new look that'll get you through until you see your barber. So with the help of the STYLER, the OneGuard, and the ProGlide, I was able to give myself a nice shadow look, shaved on the sides, clean around the edges, and now I'm ready to go. Thanks for tuning in, guys.